Afternoon, everyone. This is Mayuresh Joshi, Head of Equity Research at MarketSmith India. Now, a couple of days back, we have come out with a very interesting report in terms of the power equipment sector. Obviously, a few days back, we covered the data center theme. And in our opinion, again, power as a theme in India is going to be one of the biggest capital investment enablers and drivers over the next few years. We've carried out a special report which you can access on marketsmithindia.com. But the report basically states that the renewable capacity is expected to reach 500 gigawatts over the next few years. There is an expectation of an investment opportunity of more than 40 lakh crores, primarily driven in areas like nuclear generation, smart grid infrastructure, battery energy storage systems as well, BESS as we call it. And therefore, I think the initiatives that have been taken by the government on all these aspects to put together are steps in the right direction. What we also need to understand, as we discussed in the data center theme, that concurrently, data centers and the incentive and tax holidays given should enable growth of around 8 gigawatt hours over the next 7 to 8 years. There is a 8,000 crore semiconductor mission and a PLI scheme to reduce export dependence. There are these rare earth corridors getting created as well. And therefore, I think the support system that is probably required in terms of this entire ecosystem will play out on all these themes. Rare earth, data center theme and the power equipment theme that we are now discussing. A few stocks we have discussed for learning purposes in our article as well, which are looking attractive. And then we have discussed a few of them as well. But out of that, in our own opinion as well, Hitachi Energy is an example. Again, high revenue growth model, expectations in terms of the shift that is probably happening in data centers, in HVDC projects, is something that is going to enable and aid earnings growth for them. There is a TD Power, which has also been included in our learning article, where they are supplying generators for turbines, distributing generators for the engine segment as well. And again, I think they've got the induction motors and the starter motors as well as a business segment. Very good outlook and robust outlook as well. So this entire theme should work very well. To know more about this and to understand more about the report, read this learning article at marketsmithindia.com. Thank you.